Hi, my name is Zach and this is my first learning log video. And the first activity or the activity one, I'm going to talk about a signature from my career, that is biochemical processes. The topic that I'm going to talk is the glycolysis. The description is that at class we learned the topic via some different presentations by our teacher, where she told us the different situations and the reactions involved in the process of the glycolysis. The explanation is that this is the whole process at obtaining energy, starting intake of sugar. As the body fails the different types of sugar, the different uses given to the sugar in the body, either in the process of glycolysis, for storage as glucogen, or obtaining glucose. So those are the three different process that we make to the glucose. Glycolysis consists of 10 reactions in total, each of which is governed by a different enzyme, as well as substrate and product of each reaction. Thus also each of the reactions has a different value of free energy, which indicates if the reaction is exergonic or endergonic. By exergonic, we must understand that it's a spontaneous reaction, and by endergonic that it doesn't. Depending on the value of each reaction, we know if it happens in the equilibrium of the reaction or it's not. And by equilibrium of the reaction, we understand that it's standard conditions. But remember that the cell never works at standard conditions, like 1 atmosphere of pressure, 25 degrees Celsius, and a pH equals 7. And standard conditions and weight by the cell, the glycolysis, it works in the cytosol of the cell. The cell never works under the conditions, because for example, we have fever, we have extreme, or we have a higher temperature in our body than the requires in standard conditions. The overbalance of the glycolysis is consumed for every molecule of glucose, 2 molecules of ATP or the energy, 2 molecules of pyruvate, and 2 molecules of water are obtained. Opinions. For me, this topic is very important for some who is studying a similar career like I am. It's very useful to know and to understand the process of what we to know what could happen when we eat anything. What happens when we talk about some disease like diabetes? Why those people have an elevated level of sugar in their blood? And why the glycolysis could have happened in their cells? The different methods with which we could obtain energy from some different carbohydrates from our diet. Well, this was my first activity. And the second activity that I'm going to describe is about some activity that I did with your teacher at Cal or in the FIMI. The second activity is from the Toefl class, and skills grammar J2, and the name is check subjects and verbs. The description is, I worked this topic as usual. I went with you to work at the class, and you told us what to do. First of all, I had to make a subtract of the topic, what it's all about, and then we have to work the exercise below in the book. The explanation is this skill is about to check if the pair of the verbs contained in a sentence are well writing, or even the subject is correct. We have to check the whole sentence and find what's wrong, because in the TOEFL test we will have some questions where we will have to identify if the verb corresponds to the subject. opinions. It's a very useful topic because it helps me to make an instant review of the verbs. The way to do's have to be conjugate with the subject as a place in the sentence where they're supposed to be. Well, teacher, that was my first learning log video. Bye.